Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve Snake Pit number 2 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Yavuz Demirhan from Turkey. This is the logo of Yavuz Demirhan. It is made of wood and a little bit of acrylic. Difficulty level of the Snake Pit number 2 is 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the objective of the puzzle is to fit all 6 pieces inside the frame. At a first glance, all 6 parts look exactly the same, but if you reorganize them, you will find that they are a little bit different. There are 3 pieces of one shape and 3 of another, but if you take a closer look, you will find that it is almost the same shape, but in a mirror projection. If you try to put the parts inside, you will find that there are a couple of restrictions in the frame, since the opening looks like a letter Z and there are acrylic pieces that covers the rest. And that's what makes it quite a challenge to fit parts inside, since it's not going to be a big challenge to find the assembling of the pieces, but much difficult to fit inside. If you like the Snake Pit number 2 puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of the puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So the solution will be quite interesting. You can organize parts into pieces of 2 and then put them together, and that's gonna look like this. If the last piece doesn't fit, you can switch the parts a little bit and put them in another way to cover this piece. Okay, that doesn't work right now, but we can do it like this and then add this piece on top. And we have this shape. If you take a closer look at it, you will find that if you put it inside like this, first of all, we can divide it into 2 similar pieces. And when we try to remove this, we can remove this piece. The next one will be this piece. We can move it to the left and remove, and then do the rest of the parts. Okay, that will be quite a challenge to fit everything inside. And we will start with the piece. Which one is going to be? I think that we will start with putting these 2 parts inside. This goes here. Then this part goes in. I can move it a little bit inside the frame to free the space for the other piece. Oh, I don't need those rotations. The puzzle is solved without any rotations. The next piece will be this one. I can fit it inside like this. Move to the left. Now I can probably add this piece inside to the right. And right here, the next piece will be this one. It goes inside quite nicely. And the last piece goes inside like this, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, all pieces are inside, none of them are sticking out, and all of them are below the acrylic piece. That was the solution of the Snake Pit number 2 by Yavuz Demirhan. If you like this puzzle or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Yavuz Demirhan, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.